What's going on YouTube? Today I got a brand new YouTube video for you guys, and as you guys read from the YouTube title, today's YouTube video we're going to be unboxing the brand new Popple display. This is Popple's brand new product, and it is their largest product as of now. This is an 8x10 standing display that can be placed virtually anywhere in your business or just anywhere you would like to place it to share information. So let's go ahead and get this Popple display open. If you guys are new to Popple and this is your first time watching a Popple video, or if you're just learning about Popple and are debating whether you should get one or not, Popple is a really easy way to share information, and it makes it super easy and efficient to just get your name out there, share your social media, your business, anything like that. Especially if you're an entrepreneur, this is an amazing product to have for entrepreneurs and just people that just want to be known. So here we have the Popple product itself. I got the one that says tap or scan to leave a review. So here it is, the Popple display. It's a really thick piece of plastic, as you guys can see right there. It says tap or scan to leave a review. And then it has the big QR code right here to make it really nice and visible for people to scan. And we have the Popple logo right here. Here we have the stand. This is how it looks like. So this is how it would stand basically on like a counter, on like the register, anything like that if you have a business. And you can get it to say a few things, but you can get one that just says tap or scan. You can get one that says, of course, to leave a review. And you can say tap or scan to follow, or tap or scan to pay. So you can choose out of those for the sentence that it says on the actual product itself. Now this product right now does retail for $49.99. I'm not sure if it'll go up in price, but as of now it is $49.99. So let's go ahead and get this Popple set up. So if you guys are new to Popple, this is the Popple app right here. We have all my stuff right here. If you are a Popple Pro member, you get to have two accounts, a personal account, which is this one, and a business account right here. If you're a Popple Pro member, to be a Popple Pro member, there is a monthly subscription fee and a yearly, but it is worth it just because Popple is a lot cheaper than having business cards, and it makes it way easier to share information than a business card, and you can share a lot more than a business card. Tell me how you're going to fit all this stuff on one business card. You just can't. And you can even fit even more. If you add a profile, add links, you can add all of this stuff onto your Popple profile. Everything, all of this. Now there are ones that just say Popple Pro, and those are Popple Pro exclusive, so you would have to pay for the membership. But for the most part, you get a pretty good variety just by having the Popple itself. You don't need a membership just to have the Popple. Just with the Popple, you can have just a normal personal account. So let's go ahead and get this Popple display set up. So we go here to the settings, we go to activate a Popple device, and then we look for the Popple that we're trying to set up. Here we have the Popple display, begin the activation, and then we're going to be ready to scan. So we take this, tap it to the back of the phone, and just like that, it successfully activated your display. So now this Popple product is now activated to my account. So let's go ahead and test it out and see if it actually works. So here we have a iPhone 12. You guys can see all the tabs are closed. And then this is going to be the first time testing it. So we're just going to take the phone, tap it to the back of the Popple device. Bam, the notification instantly pops up in a matter of literally seconds. You guys saw there was no cuts. You guys saw just how fast that really opened up. So if we go ahead and switch to the business profile right here on my main Popple profile, we go ahead and scan it again, it'll open up again, a new notification, and then just like that, it'll go straight to my business profile. So from here, if you have like say your YouTube, they can just click on your YouTube, it'll open up straight to your YouTube just like that. Or if you have your Instagram, it'll open up straight to your Instagram just like that, and it'll show you the Instagram that the person is sharing. And your contact, you can put your contacts, a video, you can embed a video into there. On my profile, I decided to embed a video of my YouTube video. Now, if you guys would like to pick one of these up, make sure you use my code Julio Mendoza to get it 20% off of your whole entire order. Yes, your whole entire order, and you can use it as many times as you like. It's not just a one-time thing. When somebody pops their phone to your device, they get this pop-up right here that says share information with Julio Mendoza, or whatever name you decided to put on your account. And then from there, the person can share their email, their name, their phone number, and more. And then from there, it'll send it to your account. You can get in contact with them or vice versa. So not only does it work with iPhone, but it also works with Android. So we're gonna go ahead and tap it to right here, the display, and it'll open up instantly. The thing with Android is that their NFC reader is towards the back of the actual phone. With iPhones, the NFC reader is towards the top of the phone. So keep that in mind when popping your device to somebody. And then from here, they can go ahead and just browse through your page and look at what you've shared. So this is my business one. Bam, click my personal, and it should open up my personal account. If I just tap it to the back like that, and it opens up my personal, literally in a matter of seconds. With this one, it does say tap or scan to leave a review. So for example, if I'm detailing, because I do have a detailing business, and somebody just wants to leave a review on my detailing business, all they have to do, go to my detailing profile right here, and they could go to the reviews right here, and then they could leave a review, or they could say whatever they like, and I'll go ahead and post that. So for me, that's how the leave a review display would work for me. The other sentences might work for other people. It's just a matter of what business you run and how you like to run your business and what you just like to have on the Popple display. It is a really sturdy piece of plastic. I'm putting a pretty good amount of pressure, and it doesn't really give as easily. Putting a pretty good amount of pressure. It's a really sturdy stand. Doesn't really bend too easily. It's a really thick piece of plastic here, and it has a nice big QR code. Let's go ahead and test the QR code. So we're gonna go on the iPhone here, open up the camera. We're gonna go ahead and scan the QR code. We're gonna click on the QR code, and then just like with the NFC reader, it opens up exactly to the same page. That's a pretty cool thing about Popple, is that not only do you have the NFC reader, but you also get the QR code on the Popple display. And also within the Popple app, you also get your own custom Popple QR code. With the Popple Pro, you can add your own logo in there, like what I did with my QR code. But if you don't, you'll still get the Popple QR just without the logo in the middle. So here are some leads I've gotten with sharing my Popple. Here you have a business card reader that comes with the Popple Pro version. If somebody does give you a business card, all you have to do is just take a picture of the business card right here, and then it'll input the information on the business card into your Popple profile. And then not only can you share your whole entire page, but you can also just share just one thing within your page. So for example, if I would just like to share my Instagram, all I have to do is toggle the direct option on, and then I go and look for my detailing Instagram, which is right here, my detailing. I go ahead and click make direct. And what that will do is it will make my detailing go to the top, and it will make it direct. So for example, now if I tap it to here, open up the notification, click on the notification, it'll say open in Instagram. Yes, it'll open up, and it goes straight to just the Instagram. It will not open my whole entire page, and that's only if you would just like to directly send people to whatever link you want them to open only. So for example, if you have a restaurant or anything like that, you can just go ahead and leave this on the desk, click the direct, and then send them straight to like a Google review page, for example. So when they click it, it'll send them straight to that Google review, and it won't open up your whole entire page. So that's a pretty cool feature about Popple and their new Popple display. So here we can see the actual Popple display itself. Really good for business owners, people that have restaurants especially, or just like a barber shop or anything with a shop. This will work greatly for you guys if you guys do have anything like that. 100% useful for entrepreneurs. And not only do they have Popple displays, but they have a whole variety of different products that you guys can go ahead and check out in the first link down in the description below. And you can buy anything you want. Use my code Julio Mendoza at checkout to get 20% off everything. Literally, your whole entire purchase, you get 20% off if you use my code. So make sure to go ahead and use my code Julio Mendoza to get 20% off the whole entire purchase. Do not miss out on these Popple devices. They make it super easy and efficient to share information. Most people are on social media nowadays, and having the ability to just quickly tap on a social media and it'll take them straight to your social media makes it super easy. You don't have to tell them spell it all out and then they spell something wrong. No, literally just with one tap and it'll open straight up to your page. So there's a lot of benefits that come with having a Popple, including that. And go ahead and just purchase a Popple device, even if it's not this. Just purchase one thing and you guys can try it out for you guys selves. They really do work, and they make it really easy to share information. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to use my code Julio Mendoza down in the description below. Leave a comment with any questions and I'll try to answer them to the best of my ability. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.